First of all, the Khawarij are, as some scholars say, divided into two types. Clear Khawarij, who doubt people's Aqeedah and condemn them and label them and classify them, and as a consequence, them, because they differ with them in Aqeedah. And the other faction is a bit less, and they call them as التوقف والتبين, that they refrain until proven otherwise. As Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah, it's the opposite. You claim you're a Muslim, you see those who are coming and asking me, do you see me ask them, okay, akhi, what is your Aqeedah? Where is Allah? Does Allah have a face? Okay, tell me about the attributes of Allah. Do you believe only in 7 attributes of Allah or more? We don't do this, akhi. The default is you're a Muslim and you come and say, I'm a Muslim. I accept you. As a Muslim, I pray with you. It's time for prayer. You can lead, I can lead, no problem. But to go into this inquisition and to have these courts to interrogate people, what is your Aqeedah? Okay, I have a crash test for you to answer the following questions. Who are your shuyukh? And what do you think of the shuyukh of Saudi, the shuyukh of Egypt, the shuyukh of Malaysia? What is this? I'm surprised that the Imam himself was still talking to you. Someone comes to me and talks to me or asks me such questions, I'll give him a piece of my mind. Who are you to come and ask me? Oh, Sheikh, no, I just want to learn from you. And I would like to verify your Aqeedah before I learn from you. Either you are a student, then shut up and listen and learn. Or you're a student of knowledge or Sheikh, still shut up and listen. And if you see something or hear something that is wrong, correct me. But no, Sheikh, I'm still in kindergarten. But I would like to ask you about your PhD and your thesis and what was it about. Doesn't make any sense at all. It shows you that there is a huge deficiency in the process of thinking, in the process of learning, in the process of Aqeedah. You are assuming that the Aqeedah of X country of so and so people is the authentic Aqeedah, but you don't know what that Aqeedah is. And hence, you are court-martialing people according to who they follow, not on what they believe. This is totally absurd, akhi, and Allah knows best.